Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve machine learning workflows with Azure, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the key components of a machine learning workflow. Identify the critical stages: data collection, data preparation, model training, model evaluation, and deployment. Set up your Azure account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the Azure portal and familiarize yourself with the interface. Create a new Azure Machine Learning workspace. Use this workspace as your central hub for managing resources and experiments. Begin by importing your datasets into the workspace. Utilize Azure's Data Factory for efficient data integration and transformation. Explore Azure Data Store to securely store and access your data. Next, prepare your data by using Azure Machine Learning's data preparation tools. Perform cleaning, normalization, and transformation to enhance data quality. Use Azure Notebooks or Jupyter Notebooks for exploratory data analysis. This will help you visualize patterns and relationships within your data. Once your dataset is ready, define your machine learning model. Select an appropriate algorithm based on your specific use case. Use Azure's automated machine learning feature to expedite model selection and hyperparameter tuning. Train your model by leveraging Azure's powerful compute resources. Monitor the training process through Azure Machine Learning's integrated dashboards. Evaluate the model's performance using metrics such as accuracy and F1 score. Conduct cross-validation to assess the robustness of your model. Once satisfied with the model's performance, proceed to register it in your workspace. This enables you to easily manage and retrieve your machine learning models. After registration, deploy your model using Azure Kubernetes Service or Azure Functions. Choose the deployment method that best fits your application requirements. Test the deployed model by sending test data and verifying the predictions. Implement monitoring tools to keep track of the performance post-deployment. Utilize Azure Monitor and Azure Application Insights for real-time analytics. Collect user feedback to identify areas for improvement in your model. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.